Hello everyone. Today we will draw a spider. Let's get started. Black first. Let's draw the head. And now the body. Draw eyes. Draw teeth. Let's draw paws for our spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our spider has as many as 8 paws. Coloring time. Pink. Red. Hooray! We drew a spider. Spiders weave webs for survival. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.